So throughout this lesson, we've seen how to use Azure Machine Learning Studio to work with our data, create experiments and create notebooks and package them as projects. Now, one of the other things we want to do is be able to get resources that other people have shared and made available. So let's take a look at a way of doing that using the Cortana Intelligence Gallery. So I've opened up the Cortana Intelligence Gallery environment here. I can see the website, and there are a whole bunch of different resources that are contributed by the community that I can use. So there are some tutorials, there are some experiments, there are some data sets, there's all sorts of things in here. And I can either browse through them all, or I could go and search. Now I happen to know that there is an experiment about milk production. So if I start to type that, I can see here it is here. And if I click that, I get the information about that experiment. It's an experiment that's been uploaded from a different course that we offer here. And what I can do is I can go and open that in Studio. So if I click open, it's effectively going to copy that experiment and all the resources that that needs across into my Studio environment. So I'm copying the experiment from the gallery. We'll copy it into this workspace here. And then it opens up that experiment. We'll just zoom it so that we can see what's going on. We'll get rid of this little map here and just zoom to fit. So I can see all the various different nodes that are in that experiment. So it's a pre-built experiment ready for me to start working with, exploring, or maybe expanding, using it as a starting point for an experiment that I want to create. Now, that's me able to get experiments and other resources in from the Cortana Intelligence Gallery. The other thing you can actually do is you can publish your own experiments and your own web services and so on to the gallery. So if I click Publish to Gallery, I have to run it first of all. So we'll just go ahead and run that experiment. And as the experiment runs, I can see the progress it's making. I can see these little indicators here to tell me which bits of it are running. And when it's been run, I can click Publish to Gallery. And I'll get this window here where I can fill in the details that I want to appear in the gallery and then go ahead and complete that wizard. Upload an image that I want to associate with it or just use a stock image. And then finally choose whether I want to make it publicly visible or unlisted and only make it available to people who have the link. So I can take work that I've done. I'm just going to cancel that and not actually upload that. But I can take work that I've done. I can publish that to the gallery and make that available for other users in the community to use.